In a heartwarming gesture, Christians of St. Stephen's Church of Uganda, Munyonyo, witnessed the official installment of their new parish priest, Reverend Robert Muwonge. This was done by the Archdeacon, Mengo Archdeaconry, Venerable Canon Isaac Membe Chijambu. While interacting with the Archdeacon, Venerable Isaac Chijambu, he shared his gratitude for having seen off his day. He praised that the Lord guides the new priest for better stewardship at the parish.
We are grateful as we've come together this morning to install the new parish priest for Munyonyo Parish. We thank God for giving us Reverend Robert Muwonge and Sinsi to take that responsibility. It's our prayer that God uses him to show the Christians the way, and I call upon the Christians to support him because the work before him is big, to renovate, to build and bring back the glory of this parish.
In a one-on-one meeting with the new parish priest, Reverend Robert Muwonge urged the congregation to join forces with him in fostering the growth of the church. Stressing the necessity of engaging in projects for church development, he pledged to prioritize project initiatives.
Ate era twetaaga ne project kuba kati kanisa talina project nayo kuyimira kwayo kakanu nakwo si kwa amaanyi n'olwekyo ebyo bimwe ku bintu bye tusuubira okukola mu busumba buno n'olwekyo nkubiriza abakristaayo mwenna tukoleramu omulimu gwa Katonda mwenera kitaffe n'omwana era n'omwoyo omutukuvu. Amiina.
The church has been undertaking construction of the priest's house, and the leaders thought it wise to use the installation ceremony to raise funds. These invited prominent people such as the Ambassador of Uganda to Namibia, His Excellency Godfrey Chirumira, who spearheaded the fundraising. In the same regard, the Archdeacon noted that the church is situated in a highly developed area and thus called on Christians to embrace construction to suit the standards of the Munyonyo.
This parish is well situated, well positioned in an area which is very developed, where people are having very nice and beautiful houses. But when you look at the church where we worship our God, it has its own standards. It's my prayer that we stand together with the Christians plus the parish priest so that we do what we are supposed to do. Whenever we come in, we shall be glorifying God, saying the church, the houses, the house of the priest, the house of the lay leader gives the glory of God.
Dr. Sam Turia, the director, Kaboja International School, was the chairperson organizing committee and the mastermind behind inviting dignitaries to come for the fundraising. During an interview, he explained how this event was vital in soliciting funds to complete the construction process of the priest's house.
We thought we could also use the chance to have his house completed, because Munyonyo, St. Stephen Munyonyo does not have a complete house for our Reverend. So the work we've been doing is good, that has been going on, but today we thought we could get a chance, solicit money and complete it. It could be around a third of the project, but today the work we've done in contributing for it, we could have gone 3/4 of the project. I urge the brethren to keep contributing because we must have a decent house for our Reverend.
Among the attendees was the Namirembe Diocese Mothers Union President Mrs. Roslyn Binji Kawiso, who in an interview too called upon Christians to support the parish priest, especially by completing his house first.
Twebaza Mukama kulw'omulimu omulungi ogwo okukoleddwa olwaleero ogw'okumutuusa. Nkubiriza abakyala awamu n'abakristaayo bonna b'e Munyonyo tukwatire wamu tuzimbe amaka ag'omuweereza waffe kubanga omuweereza waffe bw'asula obulungi ne yeebaka bulungi era emirimu ze zibeera mirungi n'olwekyo tusitulize wamu tulabe nga tuzimba amaka gaffe aga Reverandi waffe alyoka asule bulungi ate atuweereze bulungi mu busumba buno obw'e Munyonyo. Naye manyi timukola bulungi nnyo era mugenda kukola bulungi nga muzimba amaka ago gagenda kuweesa ekitiibwa obusumba bwaffe buno obw'e Munyonyo. Neebaza abantu bonna abakoze obulungi olwaleero ne bakuŋŋaanya ssente ennyingi bwe ziti ez'okuzimba amaka g'omusumba waffe.